Hello friends, this is Momita and you are watching Moki Life with Smile. I hope you all are fit and fine. Me also good too. So today uh, I want to share with you a small story and a very good evening to all of you. So the story name is Ram and Shyam. So there were two boys living together. There was two boys living together named Ram and Shyam. They were actually brother, but they were not aware of that because their parents was no more. So that's why they are not aware of that they are brother. So, but they do not like each other. They always fight with each other. They always try to make others down. Like Ram always think that how to make Shyam down, and Shyam always think how to make Ram down. And they always try to fight with each other without like they always try to fight with each other for no reason. So one day what happened? One day Ram went to a market to buy some groceries, and Shem was at home and he was cooking something for himself. So suddenly a thief came to Ram's home and Ram's room and started stealing some money. And after that, Shem got to know that one person came to their home, but Shem thought that could be Ram. So he did not focus on that. He was cooking something, but after that he realized that some person someone stealing something, and that was like he is getting some noise, and as that was like someone like stealing something from like a suitcase. So like Sam what like then Sam started shouting and entered to the Ram's room, and then he got to know, he found that two men, they were stealing money from Sam's bag. So after that he got shocked. Got shocked, and he started shouting, please help us, please help us, like two thief has entered to our house and they are stealing something, please help us, please help me, please help me. In this way he was shouting. And like neighbors at that moment, all neighbors came to their house, and they scolded, and they scolded thief very much, and they punished those thief. And after when like Ram reached to their home, so when and got to know everything, then he realized that Shyam is actually his friend. They are not enemy, because like when he was absent, Sam helped him. So that's why thief did not steal a single penny from Ram's room. So after they become friend, and they started living together. So I hope you guys like this story. If you like this story, then please do subscribe my channel. My YouTube channel name is Moki Life with Smile. And if you are following if you are watching from Facebook, then please follow me. And don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you're watching from YouTube, then please press the bell icon, because because if you press the bell icon, whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification. So see you in the next video with new story. So bye, take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.